So I'm going to place it way off to the side of this just to give it a little bit of a arrangement. And again, trying to use the ruler that you have to align it to the top. And this is going to be giving me that first part. So if you can see that overall section, kind of scooch it over just a little bit. This line segment, top to bottom, is just going to go to the vanishing point. Going all the way across to the left. Just make sure you line this part up. And it's kind of a tall, narrow piece, so I'm just going to estimate the sketch and just go vertical. And just lining it up with the edge of the page. This is the tricky part. So this section at the top is going to be hard to find the center, right through there. But if I take a look at the bottom rectangle, depending on how accurate you're trying to be for this, I can always cross this diagonal here, and there's the center. So when I cross the diagonal here, that's going to give me that center. That allows me to draw it up and just put the pencil point, rotate the ruler, and it draws it right down. And then here, just using a triangle here, sketching that edge. Put the ruler pen point down first. Gives me that section pretty quickly. So that means that piece. When I take a look at the second one, this shape right here, C, again is just a block cut out of it. When you take a look onto this part, just going to try to make a couple of these segments so you can kind of see it set up there, and another one up here. I'm going to try to duplicate that one as well. But again, you have to locate the rectangular part first, so I'm going to put it stretching above this horizon line. So taking the ruler first, get that set up there. Okay, and again, it's a line segment, angular perspective. Here's the top and bottom of that line segment. Go to the left vanishing point. And again, depending on how large you make this, that's going to be the depth of it. So I could lightly sketch it out to see just the distance. And again, use the straight edge because it's built up off of this cube. And where these paint points go to the opposite vanishing point. So there's this square. All you then have to do is kind of locate the edge. In this case, I'm just going to sketch it in. And you may not see some of the different sides to this, but there's the edge. This part goes to the vanishing point. Right there. This top one is going to go down to the vanishing point. And this angle, we're just going to keep it parallel. So from here, if you can just adjust your straight edge to there. So now, highlight this. And I'll do this one more time on here. Just kind of put 3 sketches in at once. And again, put the pen down. Sometimes the pen has a thickness to it. It makes it hard to adjust to. And there you have the top part for that shaded section. So you've gone from the linear drawing all the way out. Then I'm just going to put one more down here just to kind of spread out the whole composition, and you can see that what happens when things get too close or too far away from the vanishing points. So I'll just kind of set it here, left to right. I'm going to cut it, make it a little narrower, just to fit it within here, so it's not overlapping anything yet. There's that edge. And again, just making it straight up on there, making this one much narrower, just to clip it off. But using the same idea as the angle being taken off. So here it is. So I'm going to keep it in the front so I can see more of it. That first line is a horizontal piece right there. And then this one's stretching to the right and left. In this case, they have an intersection just to make that piece. And now, so just a little bit of a combination drawing. Gives you that sketch. So just kind of added the tower and doubled up on these pieces. And again, that's the shading that you're trying to accomplish. And that's the finished linear drawing.